Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files from your old device to Black Shark 5 or Black Shark 5 any series like Pro. So in order to do this, we'll need to get the same app on both of the devices. So open Google Play Store on both of them. If you have iPhone, be sure to check our other video as we show you there as well on how to do it on this platform. So here, try finding this app, Send Anywhere. Let's install it on both of the devices. Then we can open it. There might be a few permissions which you need to give to the app, like the files permission. And here we have it. So here it is, and right now, since we'll be sending files from this phone to this one, we want to be on the Send tab right here and on the Receive tab for the Black Shark. And now let's close all these windows. Now we can select any file or app we want to send. There's multiple tabs: photos, videos, audio, apps, and contact. So pick each thing that you want to send with this toggle right here. So let's go for these two apps, for example. And now click on the send. Don't show again. Okay. And right here we should see this digit code or a QR code. There's also a link. And on this phone we can now enter this code, scan this QR code, or share this link to this device in order to get the files. I'm gonna use the code. Now after a few seconds we should start receiving these files. You can view the progress of sending on both of the devices. So here you can see on how long's left for it, and here you can see the same information. So this one just completed. Now we can click on it and we can see both of the app files that we've just sent. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.